Thank you, Mrs. Hardy, for contacting me so I can explain digital literacy a little bit better. First, I'd like to define digital literacy. That would be the finding, evaluating, utilizing, creating, and sharing of digital devices and tools. This is very important for students and teachers nowadays because the world is changing all around us and technology is evolving. So first, I'd like to explain the 21st century skills. They're separated into 3 different categories: ways of thinking, ways of working, and ways of living in the world. Going to ways of thinking, it's basically summed up by using processes to find solutions. So problem solving would be to develop skills to solve complex problems, while creativity is to think and develop unique and useful solutions, and analytical thinking would be the skill to compare, contrast, evaluate, and synthesize. Ways of working would be being able to work together. So collaboration is the skill to work with others seamlessly, while communication is being able to communicate through text, through speech, and visually. Ways of living in the world would be ethics and accountability. That would be the adaptability, responsibility, personal accountability, and environmental awareness, empathy, and tolerance. So, ways of living in the world would be adaptability of the world. The technology around us is changing, and traditions are changing, and it's just being able to adapt to those situations. The 4 C's, I have a poster, would be communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. These are very important skills that students need to learn and be able to incorporate in everyday situations. So communication is sharing thoughts, ideas, questions, solutions. Collaboration is working together and putting talent, expertise, and smarts to the world. Critical thinking is looking at problems in a new way and linking them across different subjects and disciplines. While creativity is trying new approaches to get things done, and that equals innovation and invention. The ISTE standards, which would also be the International Society for Technology and Education, created the National Education Technology Standards, which is known as NETS, which are standards for evaluating the knowledge and skills teachers should have. This is important for teachers because, first of all, they're required to have these, and it helps them prepare students for the real world in the future. I hope that this helped, and I hope that your teachers learn to use 21st century skills in their classrooms so that their students can be digitally literate.